I think without a doubt, dry fly fishing, it's the true, pure form of fly fishing.
Watching him eat, that fly lands, it's in the lane, he eats it. You know, I think the ultimate way to catch fish with a fly rod is with a dry fly.
The Missouri is where people go to fish dry flies. It is dry fly fishing at its finest.
I think Craig, Montana is definitely one of the trout bum capitals of the world.
This thing's a trout factory.
The size of the fish taking dry flies,
Super prolific hatches.
the number of fish per mile, it's tough to compare it with any other stream in the West.
You know, it'll humble you. I mean, I get humbled all the time here.
It can test the mettle of any angler out there. It can be the most technical.
The Missouri can be a cruel mistress, that's for sure.
I have no shortage of stories of getting my balls kicked in on the mouth.
You might have to swallow a little pride there, but what you will see, you'll remember forever.
I love trying that challenge of catching a big fish on a tiny dry.
It's the nose coming out of the water and sucking a fly down. It's one of the coolest things you could see.
These are hot fish when you put that hook in him. I mean, he goes absolutely bananas.
You know, it's the technical dry fly fishing that's the draw to the Missouri.
I wouldn't rather be anywhere else. Like I said, I came here, I never left. Be careful who you bring here. Don't bring your young children here or your teenagers here, because you might alter their life, and you know they're not going to become a doctor or an attorney if they get hooked on this deal. It's game over.